Welcome back. This is Moto IB. Today, if you're wondering how to take off the headlights off of the Yamaha R3, stay tuned. I'll show you how. Hey guys, we'll be working on the headlights of the Yamaha R3, how to take them off. If you guys want to see how to put them back on, let me know in the comments. I can make another video. But today, it's gonna take off the whole assembly. First, I'm gonna take out the mirrors. Then the whole front piece should come out with 4 bolts. So I'll show you guys there. Alright guys, to take out the head assembly, you're gonna need a screwdriver. There will be 4 bolts. I know you're gonna be able to see that. There's one right here, another one, oh crap, right here, and the same on the other side. So one right there, and the other one, you'll see that. So dark, right there. So to get this off, I don't know I'm able to shoot this, so let's go from the top. Move the handlebars all the way over to get this one off. I'm gonna try to one hand, guys, one hand. There you go. Put that away. Grab this. Be careful if there's a washer. You don't want to lose that. There we go. That's one piece off. Now the other one. Let's see, will be a good way. All the way over. And there we go. Alrighty. So now be careful. There's another washer on this one. And like that, I dropped my... where is it? Shoot. Yeah, I lost that one. Alright guys, now we need to take off the other side. Got this side done. Now I need to go to the other side. Screwdriver. And start taking off this side. It'd be easier if you have a smaller screwdriver. That one's off. Oops, sorry guys. Be careful with the screws. The other one I did find, so right over here. And the top one. There we go. And there we go. So now we'll be taking off the mirrors. So there's caps here. You can just pop these off. There you go. Put them to the side so you won't lose them. This side too. There's another one. One over here. So now I need to get a hand screw, key, sorry. So should be this one, I believe. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand. There we go. Yep, that's the one. Pop that off. Please, I didn't put it back on too tight because I knew I was gonna take them off again. That one's off. Oh, there you go. That's one piece you need to keep. Oh. This is the gasket.
How is it? Yeah, it's over my phone off the seat of my car. Inside.
Go. Get the gasket. Oh.
So, how was it?
It's good.
I like the form of it.
Oh.
Posto, get down! Get down! Get down! Posto, get down!
Hello guys, sorry for the interruption. At the time I had to stop recording. The dog started to bark. But I did take off the head assembly. There was 3 connections connected to the lights. And I'll show you guys. Yo guys, I took that off. There was 2 clips. That one. This one right here. And this one. And the whole thing just popped off all the way to the front. There you go. And the headlight is right over there. Of the headlight of the Yamaha R3. If you guys want to see it back on, everything all together, let me know. Well guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you later.